So, it's just, it's coming up on 3 weeks now since I lost Rusty. And, it's been really hard. But I'm trying to, make sure I'm here for the other boys. And, so the first, sorry, I'm not gonna knock right there. The first, week and a half or so, they were just trying to find him and stuff. And now they're just all, laying in places where I have something that smells like him. And, they're all kind of falling into their own, depression because, I think obviously for the first, week or so, they didn't know what's going on. They just were trying to find him, and I think they know now. I don't know, that he's gone. And I don't know what to do for them. I don't know what to do. The last cat I had put down was Cassie. That's her. So I don't know what to do. So if any of you guys know what I can do, I have his favorite toys that he played with, and the jacket I was wearing when I was holding him. I have the bed. He last slept on for the last couple weeks. He was here in the blanket, and I haven't changed my bed. I haven't vacuumed. Anyway, shit. Cassie was 24. She was my first cat. And I only had her put down because she went from being herself to not very quickly. And she's not my first cat put down. She's the only other cat I had ever had put down. Everyone else has been with me. Rusty's by far the youngest cat I've ever lost. And here. That's where Rusty spent a lot of his last days, and Ovi won't leave there, really. Except for treat time, actually. That's it. I haven't seen him do anything else. He just lays there, and he's not. And he, won't look at me. It's been a thing, recently. It's been the last 3 days. So it's just been really, I think, setting in for them, and I don't know what to do for them. The vet, the place I've had everyone else like cremated out, they didn't give me fur, and I always am able to like have fur to have them sniff the fur. I don't know. And maybe that's not it. I don't know. I don't know. They didn't give me fur. They didn't give me whiskers. I'm sorry. They did. They gave me like 3 whiskers. I don't know. Just stuff that smell like him, you know? So, I don't know. It's already been really hard. Like, I called for him earlier today because I was giving them all like little pieces of chicken that I was eating in. I was like, oh, where's Rusty? And then and then I lost it. But I just feel so bad for them, you know? I feel so bad. Bandit, Wally, and Ovi, they were like his besties. Rusty was attached to Ovi at all times. Ovi would let Rusty cuddle up to him, and then he'd get like annoyed and then walk away, but because Rusty would like lay on top of him. I still don't know what happened. I still have no idea. Me and the vet, I told them immediately that I thought it was neurological to begin with, but like, they finally agreed to me a week and a half later. Ooh. But we still never got to find out what was going on. I don't know. That makes it worse for me. Anyway, sorry. If you know how to help other animals with grief, if you could tell me, like, that'd be really great, because I've never experienced this before. Like, they're all, like, the other cats knew with Cassie, the other cats knew with Tawny, the other cats knew with Dottie. Rusty was, and he was gone. He was sick and he was gone. It was just, yeah. All right, thanks.